Imagine starting your day with the perfect cup of espresso, tailored to your precise taste, from the comfort of your own kitchen. The Ascaso Dream PID Programmable Home Espresso Machine makes this a reality, bringing professional quality espresso into your home with an array of features that are both innovative and user-friendly. At the heart of this machine is the digitally displayed PID temperature control, adjustable in 1-degree increments, ensuring your espresso is brewed at the perfect temperature every time. This level of control is essential for espresso enthusiasts looking to fine-tune their brew to match their taste profile precisely. But the Dream PID doesn't stop there. Its volumetric programmable settings for pre-infusion, single shot, double shot, and auto standby put the power of consistency and convenience at your fingertips. Whether you're a fan of a robust double shot to kickstart your morning or a smooth single shot for a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, this machine has you covered. The added auto standby feature is a thoughtful touch, ensuring the machine is energy efficient without compromising on readiness for your next brew. The craftsmanship of the Dream PID is evident in its construction. The body, manufactured in aluminum and polished before being coated with high-quality varnish, is not only durable but also a visual delight, available in vibrant colors that can brighten any kitchen space. Its aesthetic appeal is further enhanced by the 58mm professional portafilter, which features a real walnut wood handle. This ergonomic and visually pleasing design does more than just complement your kitchen, it invites you to engage with the art of espresso making. Performance is where the Dream PID truly shines. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.